today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the only one resolution that's showing on Ligeon Space after you update your Ligeon Go display drivers. As you can see guys, I'm using the stock drivers 24.20.26, and I'm also going to show you how to install the latest drivers which comes from the ROG Ally. There are a few things that you need to download first. We need the DDU, the display driver uninstaller, then the AMD ROG Ally latest drivers that I will be providing the link at the description below, and also the SRE, which I'm going to show you how to use it later. I downloaded all the files needed. Now we need to boot to safe mode so we can fully uninstall our currently stock drivers using DDU. Now to boot on safe mode, you need to right click on your Windows logo and look for run, then type msconfig. Under msconfig, you need to go to the boot, then pick the safe mode under the boot options, then hit apply, then OK. After you restarted your Ligeon Go, your screen is now flip to portrait. You can adjust that by right clicking on your mouse, then go to display orientation, then change the portrait to landscape flip. After that, go to downloads, go to the Guru folder DDU, extract it. I already extracted the file, so just click yes to all. Then go to DDU folder, then hit the display driver uninstaller. Then after that, select the device type to GPU, then select AMD. Before hitting the clean and restart, we need to revert back the safe mode that we did earlier, so that after the restart, we're not going back to the safe mode. We're going to go to normal mode instead. Exit without restart, then hit the clean and restart, and wait for the DDU to do its magic. Your Ligeon Go will automatically restart. Then after it booted, your screen will flip again to portrait. You can just adjust it like what you did before. Then after that, we can go ahead to the folder, to the download folder. Then we're gonna install the display drivers. So double click the AMD graphics driver, ROG Ally. But first we need to turn off the Wi-Fi first, so it doesn't install anything after the restart. This we need to choose the extract first. Then hit next, next again, next, then install. Then after that, we need to go to the device manager by hitting the Windows logo. Right click the Windows logo, then look for device manager, then look for display adapters. Yes, as you can see, the display adapter installed was Microsoft PC adapter, which is the stock version when you uninstall your previous one. Then right click, then update driver, browse my computer drivers, then let me pick from my list available drivers on my computer. Then click the hub disk, then browse. Here we're gonna look for the drivers folder, the one that we extracted before. Go to this PC, local C, then drivers. Then choose the first one, the third folder, packages, the drivers folders, display, the first one, and select the very bottom file, the U041792, not the AMD. Then click open, then hit OK, and look for the AMD Radeon graphics. Click next, then yes. Then wait for the display drivers to install. Your screen will flicker and that's fine, don't panic. I probably fast forward this for you guys. Then go back to our download folder and double click the AMD graphics driver again. Before we extract it, now we need to install it to register the AMD Adrenaline software. Then click next, next, install. Then after the installation, we need to restart our Ligeon Go. Hit finish to automatically restart your device. Now, just like that, we already installed the latest AMD ROG Ally display drivers. We can also go to the AMD Adrenaline software so we can double check it. Hit skip this. And as you can see, the current version is 25.10.13. It was released on 7/21. The graphics settings is also present and updated, like the Radeon Anti-lag AMD fluid. As you can see, after installing the latest adrenaline, I mean the latest display drivers, the resolution now is showing the 1260 times 800, the 1600, the 1920, then the 2560. But if it's not, we have an alternative option. If you remember, I told you to download the SRE. I'm going to show you how now. Go to the SRE website by searching, or go to the link that I will provide it in the description. Oops, sorry, I forgot. We need to open the Wi-Fi first, then disable the Windows update so that Ligeon Go will not automatically update our display drivers, and we don't want that. We just need to pause it for 4 weeks. Then go ahead, download the SRE file. Under the download, then hit the hyperlink. Then extract the SRE 1.0. Extract. Then right click and run as add as administrator. More info, anyway, sorry. Then here, as you can see, the highlighted one already have on the system and the legend space. But if you don't have the resolution, you can just add at the very top, like the 800 by 1260 by 800 resolution. Then hit the plus option, then hit OK. Alright, after that, you need to restart your device. And after it's booted, you can now see the resolution has the 1280 times 800. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you have the options to change the resolution now. Thank you so much. Bye bye.